Good day, friends. Welcome back to Smart Book Eye. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the basics of what Venn diagram, and we are going to do so by using an example to illustrate what a Venn diagram is all about. Now, we have a question. 10 students in a class were asked if they like maths, English, or both. The response given is 6 of them like maths, 5 of them like English, and 4 of them like both. Now, in order to use Venn diagram, here's what we need to do. At first, a Venn diagram is what depicted inside a rectangular box, right? And this rectangular box is trying to tell you that everything we are going to be doing will be between this boundary. So we denote the rectangular box by the symbol universal, right? Kind of like U. And this universal is taking the value, which means the total number of students engaged in this like this test or this research or this question. So we can see that we have 10 students engaged. So we have 10, right? So that's the total number of students we can have. Now the next thing we need to do is to draw two cycles, right? So these cycles have to be overlapping also. Now what we need to do is the first cycle will be denoting the number of students that like maths. So M is maths, right? And we have 6 students loving maths. The second one is English, right? And we have how many students? We have 5 students that love English. Now, this cycle, this point that they overlap, this point here, this region here, this is the point whereby is the combination of both the ones that like maths and English. And we can see it's 4, so we are going to start with that. This is the point that loves what? Both maths and English. Now, after you are done dealing with what? The intersection or the one that has both, which is 4, we need to fill the other side, which is this region. We need to fill it, right? And how are we going to fill this part of the cycle? We know that the maximum number of people that love mathematics is 6. So definitely 6 minus 4, which is the intersection, we are definitely going to have 2. So that in this cycle, we are having 2 and 4 that loves what? Mathematics. Likewise, for the English section, we know definitely for sure that we're having what? 5 as the total number, right? So in this cycle, we must have 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So definitely in this cycle now, we're having a total number of what? 5 people that love what? English. Now, the last thing we need to do is, let's look at this. 2 plus 4 plus 1, that is 7. That's the total number of students in this set is 7. So now the universal set is 10, right? The universal value is 10. Now 10 minus 7, that's 3. So 3 is the number of students that doesn't like English, maths, or both. So 3 is the number of people that doesn't like English, math, or both. So now let's look at a few examples or a few questions and see how we can deal with that. Now here is the question. The question asks, the first one, which is this one, said how many students liked mathematics only? So if we look at this box, we know we have, this is the whole cycle, right? For the mathematics students. Inside the box, we have 6 in total, right? So we also have the one of intersection. Now, to note the student that loves mathematics only without English involved is 2, right? Because if you pick 4, then English is involved. That is the intersection. So the only student that love mathematics, only pure mathematics, is 2. They don't love English. So the answer for this is what? 2. Now, how many students loves English? The number of students that loves English, you guess it, is just 1. Then how many students like maths, English, or both? All we just need to do is we add them. So we have 2 plus 4 plus 1, that is 7. So the total number of students that love both maths, English, or both is 7. So how the concept about this Venn diagram or stuff like that is clear. To even add one question more, how many students does not like maths, English, and both? I wanted to answer that. And I know I've already said the answer previously, but I just wanted to say the answer in the comment section. So if there's any question, feel free to ask in the comment section, and we'll be there to respond. Cheers. Goodbye.